How to fix microphone not working on Windows 11. So let's get started. Before we move on into the system related troubleshooting methods, checking the physical connection of the microphone is worth a shot. Doing a hardware check is a good way to rule out obvious issues before tweaking the settings on your PC. Double check that the microphone is connected to a functioning jack. You can try plugging your headphones or earphones into another device to ensure that this issue is not hardware related. We also recommend shifting to a different sitting position and checking if the microphone works fine. In some cases, the microphone might not be able to hear and record your voice simply because you are sitting too far away. Now, if the issue persists, then allow your computer to access your microphone. By default, some applications and programs on a computer are allowed to access the microphone and camera on a Windows device, while some are not. So here is how you can do it. Press Window plus I together to open Windows settings. Then select Privacy and Security from the left panel. Then choose Microphone on the right side of the window. Now turn on the toggle on for microphone access. In the same window, turn on the toggle on for Let Apps access your microphone. Then expand Let Apps access your microphone and make sure that the toggle for your targeted application is turned on as well. Now, the other method is run the recording audio troubleshooters. Microsoft is often aware of the issues users are facing or might face in the future, which is why it has developed a set of troubleshooters that come with the latest Windows version. So, follow these steps to proceed. In Windows settings, choose System from the left pane and choose Troubleshoot on the right side of the window. Then, click on Other Troubleshooters to access a list of troubleshooters available. Now, locate Recording Audio and click on the Run button with it. After the initial scan, select the device you are having issues with and click Next. The troubleshooter will now run a scan again, and if it identifies the fix, click on Apply this fix to proceed. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.